The best free websites to watch movies. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 different websites that allow you to watch movies completely for free. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So the first website is going to be tubitv.com. Check the description. I'll have links to all these websites down there. But on tubitv.com, all you need to do is go to movies, and then you'll see a full list of all the movies you can watch completely for free. And the cool thing is you don't even need to sign in. After Tubi TV, we have Amazon Prime Video, and you can get there by just going to amazon.com, and then in the top menu, select All, go down to Prime Video, and select Prime Video. From there, select Free to Me, and you'll see a full list of TV shows, movies, everything that is ad-supported. You can watch all these movies and TV shows for free, and it also works within the app on a TV or your phone. After Amazon is going to be Pluto.tv. This is another completely free website. All you need to do is go to Pluto.tv, select On Demand in the top, and then from here, you can see a full list of all the genres and also all the movies and TV shows you can watch for free on their website, in the app on your phone, or the app on your TV. They have a surprisingly large catalog of free movies. This is one of my favorite websites for free movies. After Pluto, we have Plex.tv. Once you get to Plex.tv, go to On Demand, and then in here, you'll see a full list of all the free movies and TV shows on Plex. They also have some new movies like Civil War, things like that. So tons of different categories and genres, but again, all free. Now the last website might be a little bit surprising to you, but it's actually going to be youtube.com. Once you get to YouTube, go over to the left menu, select Movies and TV, and then all you need to do on Movies and TV is select Free or Free with Ads, whichever one you see there, and then it will load all the free movies and TV shows that you can watch directly on youtube.com or YouTube in the app on your phone, anything like that. So those were 5 different websites that allow you to watch movies completely for free. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.